Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through your phone, you see people talking about investing, building wealth, and you think, yeah, I should probably do that too. But then, the dreaded question pops up, how much is this actually going to cost me? Specifically, if you're looking at Raiz, you're probably wondering, how much is the monthly fee, and is it even worth it? Because let's be real, no one wants to get nickel and dimed with hidden fees eating into their potential returns. You're trying to grow your money, not shrink it. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Raiz fee structure and figure out if it fits your budget. Raiz, for those who might be new to it, is a micro-investing app. It rounds up your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it for you. It's designed to be simple, accessible, and a great way to dip your toes into the world of investing without needing a huge lump sum. But, like any service, there are costs involved. Now, the core of your question, the monthly fee. Raiz operates on a tiered fee system, which means the cost varies depending on your account balance. For accounts with balances under $15,000, Raiz charges a flat monthly fee. This is designed to be affordable for those just starting out. Let's break it down. For balances below $15,000, you're looking at a monthly fee of $4.50. This is pretty straightforward. You pay $4.50, regardless of whether you're investing $100 or $14,999. Now, you might be thinking, is $4.50 a lot? Well, it depends on your perspective and your investment strategy. For someone with a small balance, it could represent a significant portion of their potential returns. That's why it's crucial to understand how this fee impacts you. Here's a key point. Once your Raiz balance surpasses $15,000, the fee structure shifts. Instead of a flat monthly fee, Raiz charges a percentage-based fee. This is where things get a bit more nuanced. You'll be charged 0.275% per annum on balances above $15,000. So, the more you invest, the higher the fee becomes, but it also reflects the increased value of your portfolio. It's important to acknowledge that Raiz also offers Raiz Super, which is their superannuation product, and this has a different fee structure again. For Raiz Super, there's a 0.275% per annum management fee. So, to summarize, under $15,000, it's a flat $4.50 per month. Over $15,000, it's 0.275% per annum. And Raiz Super has its own 0.275% per annum management fee. Now, is it worth it? That's the million-dollar question. Consider your investment goals, your risk tolerance, and the potential returns you expect to achieve. If you're consistently investing and seeing growth that outweighs the fees, then Raiz could be a valuable tool in your financial arsenal. Remember, investing always involves risk. There's no guarantee of returns, and fees can eat into your profits. Do your due diligence, compare different investment options, and choose what aligns best with your financial situation. Weigh the convenience and accessibility of Raiz against the cost, and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.